When you point this device at a drone and pull the trigger, have you ever looked up and seen a drone, wondering what it's doing there? Drones are everywhere these days, from delivering packages to capturing amazing videos. But what happens when they fall into the wrong hands? What about drones used for spying, smuggling, or even carrying dangerous payloads? The threat is real, and it's growing every day. That's why today, we're diving into the world of counter-drone technology and taking a closer look at a fascinating piece of gear, the drone killer. So, what exactly is the drone killer? Developed by IXI Technology, it's a compact, handheld electronic warfare device designed to do exactly what its name suggests: stop rogue drones in their tracks. Think of it as a high-tech rifle, but instead of firing bullets, it fires radio waves. This isn't science fiction. It's a real tool being tested and used by military and security forces, including the U.S. Marine Corps. The whole idea is to provide a portable, powerful solution for troops on the move who can't lug around large, power-hungry systems. The magic behind the drone killer lies in its point-and-shoot technology. It uses a software-defined radio to jam the control signals between a drone and its operator. It floods the drone's communication frequencies with noise. This disruption breaks the link, essentially deafening the drone to its pilot's commands. What happens next? The drone's fail-safe protocol kicks in. Depending on its programming, it will either land on the spot, hover in place, or return to its takeoff point, allowing authorities to track down the operator. It's a non-destructive way to neutralize a potential threat without blowing it out of the sky. Now let's talk about its capabilities. The drone killer is incredibly versatile. It can operate across 7 different frequency bands, which means it can target a huge variety of drones. This includes most common commercial models you might see, like the popular DJI Phantom series, as well as other Class 1 and Class 2 drones. In terms of performance, it's pretty impressive. It has an effective range of up to 1,000 meters, that's over half a mile, and a focused 30-degree beam. This means you can precisely target a specific drone without interfering with other friendly communications in the area. One of its biggest advantages is its design. It's lightweight and looks a bit like a futuristic bullpup rifle. This portability is key for mobile forces. Imagine soldiers in an urban environment or out on patrol. They need equipment that's easy to carry and quick to deploy. The drone killer fits that bill perfectly. It also has a battery life of up to 4 hours, and the battery packs are hot swappable. This means you can quickly swap out a dead battery for a fresh one without powering down the device, ensuring continuous protection. So, who is actually using this technology? As you can see in some of the photos, the U.S. Marine Corps has been a key player in testing the drone killer. They've put it through its paces in realistic training exercises, like the Urban Advanced Naval Technology exercises at Camp Pendleton. This is where they figure out how best to integrate new tech into their operations to protect against airborne threats, whether it's a small surveillance drone or one carrying an improvised explosive device. But it's not just for the military. Law enforcement agencies are also interested. For instance, the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department has reportedly used it to provide security for major public events like the famous Rose Parade. However, there's a catch for local police. Federal laws in the U.S. place strict limits on who can use signal jamming equipment. These regulations have made it complicated for non-federal agencies to adopt this kind of technology widely, even though the need is clearly there. Its primary intended users remain defense and security forces tasked with protecting critical infrastructure, large events, and personnel from airborne threats. The rise of inexpensive, easy-to-fly drones has created a new frontier in security and warfare. While drones offer incredible benefits, they also present new vulnerabilities. Devices like the drone killer represent the other side of that coin, the development of smart, effective countermeasures to keep us safe. It's a constant game of cat and mouse, and this technology gives the good guys a powerful new tool in their arsenal. What do you think about this kind of technology? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. See you next time.